You want to know something that's more unusual than normal? And that is, I have taken a lot of trips. I've prepared a lot of trips. There's a lot of components to those recent Greece trips. You know, I put that together, meaning I've got to lay everything out. And that is, you land on this day, you check in a hotel this day, the ferry only comes on this day. So before I secure anything with credit cards, I really make sure everything connects. I'm very much in charge of my Greek vacations. Okay, that being said, I have worked all day, I'm exhausted. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 3:50 p.m.
Yeah, 3:50, 4 o'clock. I would like to get out of here in a half an hour because I'm going to the airport. Yeah, it is an impromptu, spontaneous trip to Paris. I know I've mentioned it before, but I haven't really accepted it because there's really nothing I needed to do. It is $360 round trip. I have free hotels waiting for me because of the loyalty rewards off of hotels.com and my Capital. Okay, I like that, Capital One card. And I'm taking advantage of that. I'm not sure that I'm going to spend $500, $600, $700. I'm going to Paris for a week. And yeah. And here's the deal, look, I am traveling all by backpack. I was gonna get snacks, because this is a down and dirty airline I'm taking. You better bring your own air, because they're gonna charge you for it. Anyway, there's no room for snacks. So, this is nice. There's a hard component part here, and here's where I'm gonna keep, here's where, hello. Here's where I'm gonna keep all of my camera equipment for the plane. You know, every trip I normally take, I'm first out in the morning. It's dark when I sit out at the front. My flight's actually not till 9. It's 3:53, but you know, I have things to do. I have done everything I can for the puppy sitter, and I'm gonna get organized. And to get organized means this has to go off for just a little bit. See you soon. Oh, it's very heavy. So, 419, let's say goodbye to Meatball. He knows. Look at you staring out the window. Maybe far away, or maybe real nearby. Please, come get your baby. Hi, sweetie, I know. You can be a good boy. You can be a good boy while I go away. Again? You gonna be a good boy? I know. You're sweet. Oh, there you go. Look at you. Look at you. You know the best part of, hey, you know the best part of going away is when we get to be together again. And you know, hey, your puppy sitter's coming. Your puppy sitter's gonna come take care of you. Oh, she takes such good care of you. I know, I love you, sweetie. I'll be back. Huh? Oh, let me see that face. Always want to remember you. Always want to remember that face. Huh? One little kiss and I have to go. All right, I'll be back. Interesting. Just because I normally walk this at 5 a.m. on the trip, it's 5 p.m. Translation, daylight. Description, people are. Listen, I got 5 episodes of Outlander to watch if I don't sleep on that plane. Oh, hour each, 5 hours. It's pretty good. Press. So they gave me, look at this. Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Goodness. Let me tell you what just happened. My backpack is overweight. Well, there are items I need on the flight, which is the laptop and my cameras. So they said, you have to check your backpack. So I said, hold on, let me take out my items. I took out my items and it was no longer heavy. So they said, you can now take your backpack. So I'm walking around with everything that was in the bag now in my hands. That's allowed. Listen, until they start weighing people, let's not pretend the weight is the issue. The other thing is, I wanted to make sure that I was TSA pre-check. Yeah. I did that so I didn't have to take everything out. I have everything out, but it's okay. This is a good thing. Meatball's video. Whoa, it's done. It's done. I had been working on Meatball's video. I'm getting on this plane in less than an hour. Anyway, that's complicated. Y'all sent so many cards and letters, and to get all those into it's difficult. So I apologize for anybody's card that got cut, but Meatball and myself appreciate it. Whether I said this or not, this ticket is $360 round trip. Here's my train of thought. I have a half a Xanax. I'm actually thinking about taking it. I'm thinking about taking it right now. You understand, when I came back from the Greek islands, I flew home in a bed. Yeah, I had so much rich food. Yeah, this is not a bed. I don't know what type of seat I have. Window, aisle. Yeah. That little thing is going to make it feel like first class. Hello, hello. Brutal flight. So, it's cold. I feel it already. I have to go through customs. All right, you ready? Almost. Welcome to Paris, France. It's exciting. You know, I've been here before, but it's all different. And I've never done it by myself. It's a new challenge. Better than a McDonald's chocolate croissant. Very modern room. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, Citizen M, right? It's like one of these robot hotels, complete automated check-in. It seems to be very hip and progressive here. I will try to fit in. All right, let me tell you what's gonna happen. I just checked in, but right now I'm gonna check out. I need a nap.